Hello, thanks for joining me. This is 3D Goes, and today we're going to take a different kind of spin today on some leftovers. We're going to do leftover chilies and make homemade nachos. Prepare yourself. Go to 3dgoes.com or divastoast.com. As I said, today we are going to do our spin on some nachos, some homemade nachos. Who does not love nachos? So we'll go ahead and get started. I'm first going to start out with some homemade chili that I made. And actually, I don't want to waste it. So leftovers are perfect for this recipe. At this point, we are going to use your favorite Dorito brand, cheddar cheese, or sour cream. It's up to you. You can also use lettuce, peppers, or any type of topping that you think would suffice. You can also go ahead and include some chili peppers. We're going to go ahead and stir well our chili, our leftover chili actually. But it makes for a great combination. That way you don't waste your leftovers. And who doesn't like a great chili to make some great nachos? One of the first things that we are going to do is we're going to take our plate, set that to the side, because right now we're going to prepare the chili. Now we're going to take our bowl and we are going to put our leftover chili in it. Now, I like to have some pretty dishware when I am serving nachos or anything like a finger food. I like to enjoy a nice little ceramic. Next, we're going to take our chili. We'll place it in the bowl, so then that way we can go ahead and warm it up, get it ready. Then we're going to take a few of our chili peppers and put it into the sauce. Now, I like mine spicy. If you like your spicy, that's fine. If not, do not even add this ingredient. But that's for those who like it spicy. Just take a couple, just a little bit. Not a lot. Okay. That should be enough. We'll set that to the side. Then we're going to take and warm up the chili just to make sure that it's warm enough for us to get a little bit of temperature. Matter of fact, before I do that, I will go ahead and I will stir in the chili peppers just so that I can get my mixture a little spicy. Then I will go ahead and add a little bit of cheese as a topper. Now you can add as much cheese as you would like. Just believe me, it is up to you. You never have to add cheese if you don't want to. But this is really a great way to utilize your chili leftovers. And it should look like this. We'll go ahead and warm up the chili. Now everyone is different. If you want to, you can warm up your chili at 1.5 minutes, because I just poured mine out of the refrigerator because it's leftovers, of course. But like I said, you can go ahead and utilize your chili, temp it at whatever temperature you feel like, and add whatever you want to add to it. You can add sour cream, you can do a touch of Doritos, peppers. It's up to you how you like your chili and how you like your nachos. Okay, so I've already warmed up my chili. Probably I gave it about a minute, if nothing else. The thing about it is that I don't want it too hot because I want people to be able to enjoy the Doritos. But next, we'll go ahead and add those nachos. Let me go ahead and decorate the plate. We'll take our Doritos, of course, with clean hands. Just kind of put them on the plate. You don't really have to if you choose not to. It's up to you. Makes it look a little pretty. You kind of get the idea though. Put that in the middle. we're going to add a dollop of sour cream to our mixture. It's up to you what you want to do. You can put as much sour cream as you would like. This is just for demonstration. Like I said, you can add whatever ingredients you choose to add. You can add lettuce, peppers, Doritos. You can even do this with crackers. It's up to you. But like I said, the mixture is going to look something like this. But like I said, enjoy yourself. It's leftovers. Don't let your leftovers go to waste. Make fun out of them. We'll go ahead and try it just to see what we get. Let's try to see what we get. Let's try to see what we get. I like spicy nacho. I enjoy it because it's something. I don't like my chili to go to waste because I make good chili. If you make good chili, I add things into my chili that I think that make it hearty. Not just beans and meat and whatever, but I like to make mine hearty, so I will add some vegetables. That is really, really good. Like I said, you don't have to add a lot. Make it very simple, but enjoy your leftovers. And this is something the kids will enjoy too, as well, because you can make it fun for them as well. This is something fun that you can make for the children as well, because kids love fun finger foods, of course, and so do adults. So with that being said, I thank you for joining me. This has been 3dgoals.com along with divastoast.com. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Make sure you go to 3-dgoals.com and divastoast.com.